Yeah, guys, you see where we at here today? And we're gonna hike to the Rabacca Waterfalls, man. So you just gotta follow us, and we're gonna take you to the Rabacca Waterfalls. All right. We're going to buy waterfall up there. How far is it? About our walk. I'll go make it, man. I've been over by waterfall first, you know.
I cannot drive.
Yeah, guys, so we're heading to our journey now to the Rabacca Waterfall, and today I have a group of them who I'm taking because they never went to the waterfall, so I'm trying to take them up there. But anyway, just follow us on the trip, and we're heading that way to the Rabacca Waterfalls. So guys, if you ever come to the Rabacca Waterfall, at this very location I have placed a mattress here. It's an apartment for the night, 20 US per night. You can come here with your loved one and have a grand time. Yeah, guys, it's like we're in a desert here. It's like we're in a desert here hiking with this waterfall. You see here? This is supposed to be a riverbed, but it's dry, and I think it's because of the soil, so that when the river flows on, it keeps percolating all the time under the soil. So we're gonna head up and see if we find the waterfall. Yeah, boy. Can you hear that? He chucked in a billion on the road, boy. Kate. Yep. Still on our hike up. Still a bit to go. Look at the landscape of the land, people. Yeah, guys, let me show you the fat poke. If all never know what them call fat poke. Them is what they call fat poke right here, boy. You see them fruit here? Them is fat poke right there. And they start coming season, so you could pick them and eat them too, you know. Watch, you pick one, you soften it up, and then very nice. Where's it? There's someone now they're good, man. What? I not come around here. My wrong here full. What? I come around here. One fat poke, there we go, pick on each one, let me do. Each one make you know, man. Soft it up.
Sweet. Sweet.
Yeah, man, fat poke. In season, in Georgetown. Yeah, guys, you still on a hike. See everybody there over there hiking. Where there, Roy? Soft it up and eat it again, man.
Nah.
Get Jerry, get Jerry. Yeah, boy. Yeah, guys.
Yeah, man, we're on the way to a fall.
Rabacca Falls.
Yeah.
Look at it there, Roy. Is there something to there, man?
We're on the way to, we're in the deep south in Australia.
Boy.
Yeah, look at this. Look at
boy,
this.
I don't even see the view.
Desert.
But it's like we're in a desert. Looking for a waterfall, it's like in Arizona. But I tell you, I hope this trip worth it. But it's extremely, like extremely hot here. Not even the Sahara desert hot like where we're going through today. I've already drank 18 bottles of water and more to come. Stay tuned and follow us. Wow, look at the landscape of these mountains, man. Caitlin. Wow, this is where they crushed the sun. Wow. Yeah, man. Wow. Wow. This is a long walk, boy. Oh, look at this, guys. Look at this. We're still in the riverbed, hunting for the waterfall, but very shortly, we're gonna get it for you. Come, Kate. Come, Rachel's. Dad. Chads. What is it, alright?
If you're gonna come all the way up and so up, it'll be a nice place for cook and all. Can I take
Boy.
watch out,
What on up here? Wait, vehicle up here now? Belt it off. Gee, we knock it off the mango now, man. Ah! I find the river there, right? I find the fella now. But you not get that there again? Mother. As old as me, make up one shot and get mango still. Rachel, finally. Jerry, up the man. Okay, river stream up there. Yeah, boy. Yeah, Chad, go on now. Alright, not new.
Watch out.
That I miss you. Not new. But when I do get a mango there tomorrow. Not new.
Really?
But I'll have it here. Charlie, we go. Yeah, boy, I start to see water up there now. So don't see up the waterfall, eh? Not no Jerry. That's that. Yeah, guys, you can look closely. You see here? We start to find bits and pieces of water. That means we start to get closer to the riverhead, or the whatever they call it. So very soon we're gonna reach to the waterfalls. Don't worry, guys, stay with us and we're gonna take you to that amazing waterfalls. Yeah, guys, so if you notice, we are here in Georgetown Rabacca River up in the Dry River mountain, and we are hunting for a fall they call a Rabacca Fall. So we have just saw water on that side, and I think we're getting close to the waterfall. So stay with us, hike with us, and we're gonna show you this amazing waterfall. Yeah, guys, we just start to see water here now. As you can see here, see that? I think we're getting closer. We're seeing water now from the river coming down. Look at that, look at that. So we need to follow the river and go all the way up, and then we will find that amazing waterfalls. All right, stay with us. We have more of this to give you today. Give me GoPro, so we'll get you.
No, where them go up? Me go come up last. Where should go better than camera nowadays?
Mother,
wait.
your cat.
We're in mountain, woman.
Mother.
You turn the straight to do your mommy do this. Chat gone up. Me go come up last.
We show you what you boy. Now we're going to go for it now, so we'll go get you. Where is it?
Where me get chat?
Get with the camera, boy. You break your screen. Yeah, boy. Come there, boy. Yeah, guys, you see? We're heading now to the waterfalls. Still trying to find it. Go up there, Roy. I'll go.
In front of the camera now, you're in there.
Get you there. Go on there, Roy.
Now you go, you go. Me video thing.
Alright.
I could step down if you want to know.
Yeah, Casey, yes it, man. Are you ready for me?
Yeah, man, go ahead.
Be all out, you know.
You good? My turn.
Yeah, man. You're bad. You're bad. You're bad. And you have cane here if I want. I could cut cane and eat. No matter me. Put a hot, my boy. Yeah, Dad. Jerry, not wait for nobody in there. Yeah, man, all going good. We almost there, man. Take our time, eh? Kaylan, take our chat, take your time, you know. Me get you, man, me get you, me get you. Wow. Jerry, we'll walk up here, so you know what I mean? We go walk up, then go up. Let me see you. Yeah, Dad. Again, which way, Jerry? Which way faster? Body ass, my here. Eh? Jerry, can't put this stone and put it in another trap. Yeah, guys, so we almost make it, just taking a little 5. Still a lot of walking to do. Turn around, everybody's here. So something to charge. Whew. I have a camera now, so where are we gonna? Go on, Jerry, you want to fall inside here now? Because when they see them and go over here, they may reach. No. Yeah, they may almost reach, seriously. Boy, how am I looking for catching stuff on camera? Watch over there again. Wait. Take your time, you know, Chad. Because them stone here, I trust him, you know. Take your time, Chad. Take your time, no man. Easy in the hand, man. But I'll be walking if I come up. That's a debt. Yeah, boy, Jaro, you're smart, eh? Shall we get a good video today, boy? Jesus, help me out. I'll help you. Wow. We never go over far. From Kaylan. You make it, Chad? Yeah, guys, after hours and hours in the mountains, I have finally found this magnificent waterfall. As you can see right behind of me up there. And we are heading there now. Alright, yeah, guys, look in front of me. We're heading up to the waterfall now, boy. Everybody wants to turn back, but because of me, they continue on the journey of paradise. Deroy, watch up there. So we're heading up there now to the waterfall, man. Yeah, boy. Up there we're heading. Yep. Yeah, guys, we're heading up there to the waterfall, man. You see it up there? We're heading there now. Stay with us on our journey to that beautiful waterfalls. All right. Wow, that is magnificent. Is that right? That looks tough. Righty. Wow, that was nice power, boy. What do you say? Whoa, look at that, guys. I'm getting closer. So you see that beautiful waterfalls. Wow. Hey guys, watch that. Watch that power, man. Watch that power coming on at you. We are here at the Rabacca Waterfall. We found it. We have finally found paradise. Yeah, did. Woo! Boy, this is wicked, is it? Wow. Yep. Woo! Woo! Yo! At the Wallaboo! Woo! Bye bye. Done! Come on now. Power! Watch here, man. Whoa! Waterfall time. Right here, man. Whoa! Power! Power! Woo! Yes, power! Yes, power! There is power! Whoa! Yeah. Try just come sit down right here, that is all. Just sit down right here. Jerry! Now come in, now come! What, Kellan? What? You just sit down right here. Action, Roy, and you're done. Yeah, boy. Yeah, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tour. And we will see you in the next video.